When it comes to maintaining a curly synthetic wig, experience has showed me that less is more. I'm going to show you 3 things I do to take care of my synthetic wigs to ensure that they last me for more than 6 months to even a year. Number 1, I make sure that I regularly detangle my curly synthetic wigs. I use a detangling brush and my hands to remove any knots from the hair. The important things to remember is to work in sections and take your time. For each section, I start at the bottom of the hair and I brush the hair until the brush can move freely through the hair strands. Then I move up until I've completely detangled that section of hair I was working on. I continue working in these small sections until the entire wig has been completely detangled. While brushing, if there are any knots that I cannot remove using my hands or the brush, I cut them out using a pair of scissors. If you want to see a detailed tutorial to detangle synthetic wigs, I will leave a link to the video in the description box below. The second thing that I do is to ensure that the wig is not stiff and it is always hydrated and moisturized. To do that, I add a light mist of water mixed in with conditioner to the hair. Alternatively, you can use a leave-in conditioner. I make sure to thoroughly coat the hair with the product and even working it into the hair using a comb. Third thing that I do for extra softness and to maintain the curls, I steam the wig using this hair steamer. You can also use a handheld steamer for clothes, or alternatively wrap the wig in a plastic bag and place that into a bowl of hot boiling water and cover with a towel for 15 minutes. If you're not happy with how the curls look, you can also use flexi rods to curl the hair before steaming. As an optional extra, I do use a blow dryer with a diffuser attachment on low heat to dry the hair. This saves me time, so if you do have time, just leave the hair to air dry. For extra shine, I also use an oil sheen spray. I used to use a silicone, but it weighed down the hair too much for me. Now, I love me a long curly synthetic wig. If you find that your long curly synthetic wigs always tangle no matter what you do, this next video is a must watch. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.